Hi everyone, so I've been doing a little bit of programming just now because I recently got myself a new Launchpad X. So, first thing you'll be probably asking is, how does it go with FL Studio? Well, it does actually have some integration. That's what this code here in front of you does. So, the question is, does it give you deep control over the mixer? No, it doesn't. Does it give you deep control over drum sequences like FPC? No, it doesn't. Well, what about performance mode integration? Surely it does that. No, it doesn't. So, what does it do? Well, my friends, I have a spectacular answer for you. If I just quickly press this button, we can have ourselves an epic time while we wait for me to program something a little bit better. I'm actually really bad at this when I'm playing both the players. Yeah, I'm bad at it, but it's really fun, especially when you actually have two people. Yeah, hope you all enjoy.